Why didn't I reload? Why did I not reload again? This boss is free. Like, for real? I need practice on it. Go through the sniper! Oh my god. Alright. My whole noodle here. We can do this. My whole noodle will make it. Don't! Brother, I shot your friend. Alright, there's Paul again. We did it! We fucking did it! Both screws and sniper. Oh yeah, I agree. I see what you're saying. My brain was poop, but I see it now. You guys didn't just do what I did to that Metal Gear fucking thing? That's what they're gonna call it. I know you don't really kind of do it. You're not dead. Infinite ammo. Infinite ammunition. Infinite mag. Yeah, dude, I was, for a second though, I was like, wait. That should mean something. My brain thinks two screws. Then a sniper, or like lock into that fucking understanding what you're talking about, even though it was literally right there. Literally right there. I'm just dense. And your boy dense. I know it. I try to accept it. But, you know, I gotta acknowledge it sometimes.